Bikers are known for their tattoos. When we were creating the invitation for the biggest motorcycle event in Latin America, the Brazilian Motorcycle Fair, we've had no doubts. We've invited one of the best-known tattooists in Brazil. He did 3 designs: custom, speedy, and trial. We've sent 300 invitations by mail. To enter the fair, they just had to show the tattoo. After the optical reading, the entrance was released. Anyone who had a passion for motorcycles running in the blood could also show it on the skin.